What is going on, guys? Here we are. But here's currently what we got going on. I sent my supercharger off to Kong. It's going to be ported and all that stuff. It should be on its way back this week. So when it comes back, it should be just in time for me to go get it tuned. It's supposed to be able to get me in on December 10th. Other than that, though, got a Duramax update for everybody. I need to go install a right front hub, so that's what I'm probably going to do right now. And I'm going to go to the barn and get started on that. But y'all put your comments and guesses down below how much horsepower you think this is going to make. And if you want, you can go look at the previous dyno video and kind of get a guesstimate and everything. And I don't know, y'all let me know what y'all think and we'll go from there. Alrighty, just now getting the GoPro 6 put on my head because our GoPro 7 has some stabilization issues going on right now. But anyways, so if it is still a little shaky, I apologize. I'm now pulling up to the barn. I'm gonna go see if I can't install this right front hub. Last time I did front end work on my pickup, it's been a long time. It was before I even started the channel, actually. Matter of fact, actually, it was right before I started the channel. I redid my whole front end. I did the ball joints and everything, which by doing the ball joints on this, I don't have no aftermarket. I got factory. And so I just replaced the whole upper and lower control arms. I upgraded my tie rods, new brake pads as well. I mean, I did most of the front end. The only thing I didn't really do was the steering, which would have been the idler arms and pitman arms or whatever. So other than that, we're gonna hop in here and get this rolling, and I don't know, we'll do the time lapse in a minute. So
you stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out.
alrighty, so just to show y'all this wheel, how you check your wheel hubs on the front and probably the rear as well, is you lift it up, you get it suspended a little bit, and then you wiggle it. See, as you can see, that has a lot of play in it. And I'll just show you, this is what it's supposed to be like, is this side right here. It has no play. I can't wiggle it, I can't do shit. Moving the whole truck, because it has no play in it. So this wheel hub, the left front is good, but my right front is bad. So
wiggle is bad. Wiggle means wheel fall off.
yeah, what Master Mechanic said.
'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess, found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now. Too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess, found myself in my regrets. I've
already. So as you can see, we've got front right hub off. She looks pretty damn dirty, but it is what it is. But yeah, we're gonna roll with it and pull out the new one and see what we've got going on here. So this is her right here. This is the new one. Hell yeah. That's what I like to see. Hell yeah. Honestly, this wasn't that bad to get on there. It really wasn't too bad at all. Just it takes you some time, but as long as you got the right tools. I mean, as you can see, I kind of went back and forth grabbing certain shit because I haven't did this in a while, and I've never actually replaced the hub itself. But I did take everything down, strip everything down, do all new control arms and upper and lower control arms. So I've taken all this shit off before. I just never individually, you know, sought out to replace this one on its own. So, but anyways, here we are though. That's really about it. We bought it, and as you can tell, it comes with the whole kit and everything. And I'm just going back with it now, and then I don't know. That's just what we're gonna do. We're gonna roll with it and just kind of see how things go. So